Money's really tight at the moment for everyone, so I tend to only buy things that I've seen in person. My friend got some of these storage boxes and I think they're perfect for your spring clean. I like them because they've got metal supports inside, which means that they stack well and the canvas material feels really high quality. There's a plastic viewing window, which means you don't have to open the box up to see what's inside. The zip feels like it's really sturdy too. I'm going to be using the boxes that I bought in my living room, and I think the grey material is a nice neutral colour and looks clean and neat. My dogs broke their toy box, so I'm replacing it with one of their Everyday Ideas storage boxes. Let's see how many toys we can fit inside. And these boxes are actually labelled as size small. Now for my art supplies. I need these to be readily available because I work out of the living room when I'm painting a canvas. The boxes can really hold a lot considering they're listed as small. I think these ones would be perfect for things like baby clothes, toys, and even kids' school equipment like workbooks and pens. The handles on both sides are a nice touch too, and the stitching looks perfect on both boxes I received. You guys know that I only post reviews on here of products that have blown me away. Do yourself a favour and choose this brand. They're based in the UK too. All of the links are in the video description. Happy shopping!